A day after Manila Mayor Isko Moreno's 46th birthday, his mother passed away. Rosario Dumagoso was 74. Moreno never made any official announcement. He still showed up for work.
Your city will continue to run, will continue to function despite of adversities. In our city, in our life, personally, we'll do our job because the people of Manila needs us.
But his speech during the flag ceremony gave a glimpse of the pain he carries in his heart that day.
Kung may pagkakataon kayo, may paramdam ninyo sa inyong mga magulang ang pagmamahal. Mahalin ninyo ang mga magulang ninyo hanggat nabubuhay pa sila. Spend time as much as possible. Make them feel that you love them, you care for them, and you owe your life to them.
Moreno is an only child. A memory of his childhood includes bringing home pagpag or leftover food from restaurants which his mother would recook for dinner.
Yun man lamang paramdam natin sa mga nanay natin, mga tatay natin, habang nabubuhay pa sila. Huwag niyong kakaligtaan na sila ay nagsikap, sila ay nagtaguyod para sa kabutihan nating mga anak. At walang magulang ang nag-isip ng masama para sa anak niya.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.